Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 67 GTO. Body off, huh?
Body off.
Man, what a pretty car. It just sits beautiful. So tell us a little bit about it.
It was bought from the original owner. He had passed away, had given it to his son, and then the frame off restoration was done. There's 49,000 original miles on it.
Wow.
Numbers matching. I have all the documentation in a book.
I'll show you guys that book in a little minute.
And that's pretty much, the car speaks for itself.
It really does. Super straight body, all original metal.
Air conditioning, power steering, power brake. Pretty much, you know.
You know, it looks so sinister with the dog dishes on
Yeah, that's what I love about it. I didn't want to put the sport rims on it.
Yeah. Very sinister.
It just looks great.
It really does.
The black vinyl top breaks up the silver.
It does. And these things are all red. You see them in black and red, white.
You never see this color.
You never see this
very
color.
Rare.
Very rare.
I forget what they call it, silver. I forget the name of the color.
It's the first time I've seen one in person in this color.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Dude, that's why, you know, that's why I got the car.
Beautiful. Original interior also, right?
Original interior except for the carpet.
Okay. Only original once.
That's right.
Man, just as nice as it gets. Chrome stainless paint. Fitment of all the panels. I mean, that's important.
Yeah, definitely. Straight car. Good car. Good, honest car.
You rarely see them around that have been, you know, that are original.
No.
Yep. They always had recorders, floor pans, fenders replaced.
Floor pans and
Look at the original seat. It's beautiful. 49,999 miles.
original miles.
Wow. His and her shifter.
Yeah, his and hers, yeah.
Beautiful dash. Gorgeous headliner. Lofty bench seat. Oh, is that the build book?
Yeah, that's all the documents, the original owner's manual and all the specs on the car and all that
Grab
stuff.
that, let's check it out. We'll lay it out in the trunk. I'm going to show you guys the trunk anyway. Nice as it gets. Look at that, it's beautiful. Original metal here, guys.
Owner's manual.
Owner's manual. These are your hangers.
You just get all the color, you can name the color.
Oh yeah.
It's got all stuff in here.
Loaded. Very cool.
Hey, I didn't go through it all specifically, but it's got all
assembly
manual,
manuals.
Yeah, if you want to work on it.
Okay, cool.
Production numbers, all that good stuff.
Cool.
I forget the name of the color.
Silverglaze.
That's it. That's the name of the color. Silverglaze.
It's gotta be that, right? It's really nice. Jeez. Oh, there's your PHS. Let me see that.
Yeah.
So here's the PHS. Color is EE. Trim is 219. And then all the original options: power steering, power brake, traffic hazard warning or flasher, software glass, mats. Awesome. Wire wheels. That's cool. Console. Push button radio. That's awesome.
Big $30 option.
Yeah, that's so cool. Automatic. 323 gears. 4-barrel. Very cool. Let's check out under the hood. Beautiful. Power steering, power brakes, air. Just awesome. YS motor, 727730 YS. Man, what a gorgeous example. Even sporting the Delco battery.
Yeah.
It's like a cover, right?
You gotta put that in, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have that. Very cool. There's your trim tag. Paint, P2. It's fired up. Sounds nice. Nice rumble to it.
Yeah, the motor was fresh.
Motor was freshened up.
Yeah, it's got great oil pressure. It's got 60 pounds at idle.
Oh yeah. Fantastic. Awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.